Vanished Voyagers, the enigma of lost spacecraft. Space is vast and unforgiving. It swallows our spacecraft whole, sometimes without a trace. Where do these metal explorers go when they vanish from our screens? Some succumb to fiery deaths, burning up in planetary atmospheres. Others crash land, their silent remains scattered across alien landscapes. And then there are those that drift endlessly, lost in the cosmic expanse, their signals fading into the interstellar void. These lost spacecraft leave behind a legacy of unanswered questions. What secrets did they uncover before falling silent? What new discoveries might they have made if they had endured? The mystery of their disappearance only fuels our desire to explore, to push the boundaries of human knowledge and venture further into the unknown. The quest to understand the fate of lost spacecraft is not merely an exercise in satisfying curiosity, it is a testament to our enduring fascination with the cosmos and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. By unraveling the mysteries of these silent explorers, we gain a deeper understanding of the challenges and triumphs of space exploration. Whispers from the cosmos. How we talk to spacecraft. Communicating with spacecraft across the vast gulf of space is a technological marvel. It relies on a delicate dance of radio waves, giant antennas, and incredibly sensitive receivers. Imagine trying to hear a whisper from across an ocean. That's essentially what we're doing when we communicate with spacecraft. Here on Earth, massive dishes, some stretching hundreds of feet across, act as giant ears, straining to hear the faint whispers from our distant robotic emissaries. These dishes, strategically positioned around the globe, form a network known as the Deep Space Network, or DSN. The DSN is our lifeline to spacecraft exploring the solar system and beyond. The messages themselves are encoded in radio waves, a type of electromagnetic radiation that can travel through the vacuum of space. These waves, traveling at the speed of light, carry instructions, data, and even the occasional greeting from Earth to our distant spacecraft. The spacecraft, in turn, use their own antennas to receive these messages and transmit their own data back to Earth. The silent zone where signals fade to black. Even with our advanced technology, there are limits to our ability to communicate with spacecraft. As a spacecraft ventures farther from Earth, its signal weakens, much like a whisper fading into the distance. Eventually the signal becomes too faint for even our most sensitive instruments to detect. This region, where the whispers from our spacecraft are lost in the cosmic static, is known as the zone of silence. Several factors contribute to the fading of signals. The vast distances involved mean that the signals are spread out over a larger area, reducing their strength. The vacuum of space is not entirely empty, and interstellar gas and dust can absorb and scatter radio waves. And then there are the limitations of our own technology. Even the most powerful antennas have their limits. The zone of silence is not a fixed boundary. Its reach varies depending on the power of the spacecraft's transmitter, the size and sensitivity of the receiving antenna on Earth, and the interference from the Sun and other celestial objects. As spacecraft venture further into the depths of space, the challenges of communication become increasingly daunting. Beagle 2 and the Ghosts of Mars. The Martian surface is littered with the ghosts of missions past, silent sentinels of space exploration. One such ghost is Beagle 2, a British lander that vanished during its descent in 2003. Named after Darwin's ship, it aimed to search for life on Mars. Packed with instruments, it failed to make contact after landing. In 2015, NASA's orbiter found it had landed safely but failed to deploy its solar panels. Section 5, Into the Void, the fate of deep space probes. Some spacecraft end on planets, others drift endlessly in interstellar space. These probes, having completed their missions, continue to move away from Earth. Voyager 1 and 2, launched in 1977, studied the outer planets and now journey out of our solar system. They carry golden records with messages from Earth. Pioneer 10, launched in 1972, was the first to fly past Jupiter and leave our solar system. It carries a plaque depicting humanity and our place in the cosmos. These probes, now silent, continue their journey as ambassadors of humanity. Section 6. The Twilight of a Mission, Reasons for Silence. The cessation of a spacecraft's mission can be attributed to a multitude of factors, each marking the end of an era of exploration and discovery. Some spacecraft, like those designed for short-term missions, are simply not equipped to survive the rigors of space for extended periods. Their instruments wear out, their power supplies dwindle, and their systems eventually fail, rendering them silent. Other spacecraft fall victim to the harsh realities of the space environment. The constant bombardment of radiation can damage delicate electronics, while extreme temperatures can cause materials to expand and contract, leading to structural failure. And then there are the micrometeoroids, tiny particles of space debris that can pack a surprising punch, potentially crippling a spacecraft upon impact. Sometimes, the loss of a spacecraft is a deliberate decision. With limited resources and competing priorities, space agencies must make tough choices about which missions to extend and which to end. When a mission reaches its natural conclusion, or when the scientific return no longer justifies the cost of continued operation, the spacecraft may be decommissioned, its signal silenced forever. Section 7. Silent Sentinels. The legacy of lost spacecraft. Though they may have fallen silent, lost spacecraft leave behind a rich legacy of scientific discovery and technological innovation. The data they gathered continues to be analyzed, yielding new insights into the workings of our solar system and beyond. The technologies they pioneered paved the way for future missions, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in space exploration. More than just scientific instruments, these spacecraft represent the culmination of human ingenuity, collaboration, and the insatiable thirst for knowledge. They embody our desire to reach beyond our planet, to explore the cosmos and unravel its mysteries. Their stories inspire future generations of scientists, engineers, and dreamers to reach for the stars. The silent sentinels scattered across our solar system and drifting through interstellar space serve as poignant reminders of the audacity of our endeavors and the challenges we face in exploring the cosmos. They are testaments to our enduring spirit of exploration and the enduring power of human curiosity. Section 8. Echoes from the Past. Unexpected Signals from Silent Probes. In the annals of space exploration, there have been moments when the silence of a lost spacecraft was broken by the faintest of whispers, igniting hope and reigniting curiosity. These unexpected signals, often fleeting and weak, offer tantalizing hints of a mission resurrected, a story not yet finished. One such instance occurred in 2001 when, after 22 years of silence, NASA's Pioneer 10 spacecraft unexpectedly responded to a signal from Earth. Though the signal was weak and the spacecraft's systems were severely degraded, the fact that it responded at all was a testament to its enduring design and the tenacity of the engineers who built it. While these echoes from the past don't always signify a second chance for a mission, they offer valuable insights into the long-term performance of spacecraft systems and the effects of the space environment on technology. Each unexpected signal is a reminder that even in the depths of space, surprises await those who listen closely. Section 9. The Unquenchable Thirst. Why we keep exploring despite the risks. Despite the inherent risks and the inevitable losses, our drive to explore the cosmos remains undeterred. The desire to understand our place in the universe, to uncover the secrets of distant worlds, and to push the boundaries of human knowledge is deeply ingrained in our nature. Each mission, successful or not, contributes to our understanding of the cosmos and inspires future generations to dream bigger and reach further. The risks, though ever present, are outweighed by the potential rewards, new discoveries, technological advancements, and the expansion of human knowledge. The pursuit of space exploration is a testament to the best of humanity. Our curiosity, our ingenuity, and our unwavering belief in the power of discovery. It is a journey driven by the understanding that the cosmos holds endless wonders waiting to be unveiled, and the conviction that the pursuit of knowledge is a journey worth taking, no matter the risks. Section 10. A Legacy Etched in Stars, the Enduring Voice of Spacecraft. Even in silence, lost spacecraft continue to speak to us. They tell tales of daring journeys, groundbreaking discoveries, and the relentless human spirit that propels us to explore the unknown. Their legacy extends beyond the data they gathered and the technologies they pioneered. It is etched in the stars, a testament to our enduring fascination with the cosmos. The spacecraft that journey beyond Earth carry with them more than just instruments and scientific objectives. They carry our dreams, our aspirations, and our collective curiosity. They serve as our eyes and ears in the cosmos, extending our reach far beyond what we could ever achieve on our own. As we gaze up at the night sky, we can imagine these silent travelers, still journeying outward, carrying with them a part of us, a part of our history, and a part of our future. They are a reminder that even in the face of the vastness of space, the human spirit can reach out and touch the stars.